So let's get started. Prerequisites. To prepare the rest of the tutorial, you need to have npx version 8.5.5, node version 16.13.1, Kami account. The following is not required but extremely useful: some familiarity with command line, some familiarity with JavaScript. So I already have set up all the thing. You can also set up it. Done by using here download user npm. Here it is. And you can also create an account here on Alchemy. Excuse me, I already have an account. So now let's move on. Code the buy me coffee.sol smart contract. GitHub reference is there. They have provided us with the code also. Here it is. With the contract. So let's follow the steps. If you use tools like OpenZeppelin Wizard and Remix before, then you are already primed to use Hardhat. Hardhat is similar because it's a development environment and coding tool, but it's similar bit more customizable and runs from your own computer's command line interface instead of browser application. So we have used OpenZeppelin Wizard in a previous section. So let's see how Hardhat works. We will be using Hardhat to generate the project template, test our smart contract, deploy to Goerli test network. So let's start it and let's open the project and start making it.